Hello everyone, welcome to Mockbank, and this is the first video of chain rule problems. What happens in chain rule problems is you will be asked if 8 men working for 10 hours a day can do a piece of work in 25 days. Hence, what if there are 10 men working only for 6 hours? These kind of problems should be solved under this chain rule category, right? I'm gonna take a very basic example to make you understand as to how chain rule works. Say the cost of 15 toys is given to you as 432 rupees. So what should be the cost of 25 toys? Now if you have to solve this problem, what do? If cost of 15 toys is given to you as rupees 432. So what is the cost of one toy? The cost of one toy for sure will be rupees 432 over 15, isn't it? And if we need to find out what is gonna be the cost of 25 toys, the cost of one toy will get multiplied with 25 and we will have our answer. So should I write it to be 432 25 over 15? This comes out as 432 times 5 over 3, and this becomes 144 times 5, and this is nothing but rupees 720. Hence, if the cost of 15 toys is 432 rupees, cost of 25 toys will be 720 rupees. I have another approach to solve this problem. Say the cost of 15 toys is given to you as 432 rupees, and what is being asked is what is the total cost of 25 toys. Now 432 can be written as, this value can be either 25 over 15, or it can be written as 15 over 25. Which one of them is correct? Now since the cost of 15 toys is given to you as 432 rupees and number of toys are increasing, so that cost for sure is going to be more than 432 rupees. And try to see that this ratio 25 over 15, this is more than one ratio. And how about 15 over 25? This is less than one ratio. And if you multiply a number which is more than 1 with 432, this overall value for sure is going to be more than 432. And how about this? This whole value will be less than 432, isn't it? So what is our answer? Since the cost should be more than 432 rupees, we will go with this option, not with this option. So what do we need to do? We will write all variables. Say for example, in this case the variables are toys and cost. You have to write the information very systematically. The cost of 15 toys is given to you as 432 rupees, and hence what is going to be the cost of 25 toys? Say this is x rupees. So the value of x will be this another variable over here, that is 432 times this ratio. Either the answer will be 15 over 25 or 25 over 15. What is the answer that we need to take over here? 15 over 15, 25 over 15. That is the correct answer. And if you take 432 over 15 over 25, that is going to be the wrong answer. Now you understand what you need to do. You every time you need to ask, what do you want for other variables? Is it going to be more than 1 or less than 1? There are only two variables that are involved over here, twice and cost. It may increase also. Say we're going to talk about some other variables. So in this case, what is going to happen is, so I have got 3 pumps working 8 hours, can empty a tank in 2 days, right? So how many hours a day must 4 pumps work to empty the tank in 1 day? So let us write down the variables. So I have got pumps, and then I have got hours, and then I have got days. These are the 3 variables that are being talked about in the problem. Now it also says that 3 pumps working for 8 hours can empty a tank in 2 days. So how many hours a day must 4 pumps work to empty in 1 day? So let us say this is X. So what is the problem? That if there are 3 pumps working for 8 hours can empty a tank in 2 days, then 4 pumps should take X hours to finish or empty the tank in 1 day. Now how do we write it? As I must have told you that this value X will be the multiplication of another variable in R category, that is 8 times, since there are 2 variables, pumps and days, 8 will be multiplied with 2 ratios. 8 will be multiplied with 2 ratios. So if there are 3 pumps, you require 8 hours. Now if there are 4 pumps, do you understand that this variable will either be 3 over 4 or 4 over 3 in the pump category? And now this ratio will be multiplied by 8. There are 3 pumps, then you require 8 hours. When number of pumps are increasing, you have more number of pumps, so hours per day should be decreased. Do we have the understanding? So what are we looking for? We are looking for less than 1 ratio. The value has to be less than 8, and hence we will write this to be 3 over 4. Right? Now the pump variable is done. Now let us talk about hours and days. So when we had 2 days, we needed 8 hours. Now we have only 1 day. Since the number of days are decreasing, hours per day should increase, right? So the value that we are looking for from these 2 variables should be more than 8, right? And in order to write more than 8, we will write it to be more than 1 ratio. And if we simplify this, we're going to have, this is going to be 2, 1, 4, and this comes out as 12 hours. So X is nothing but 12 hours. You can increase number of variables, but the basic question remains same, that the question needs to ask what it is looking for, less than 1 ratio or it is looking for more than 1 ratio. Do we have the understanding? And during the process you need to keep asking, like in this problem, pumps and hours. So if there are 3 pumps, you are looking for 8 or working for 8 hours per day. Since the number of pumps are increasing from 3 to 4, hours should be decreasing per day, isn't it? Now days and hours, when we were working for 2 days we needed 8 hours per day. Now since the number of days is decreasing, we need to work more number of hours per day. And what this is more number of hours per day? We are looking for more than 1 ratio. So what is more than 1 ratio? Now this is not half, but this is 2/1. So that is how we are getting the answer. I'll see you in some other video. We will solve some more problems on chain rule. Till then, bye bye and take care.